In today's video, we'll discuss how you can use Cash App on PrizePicks. So to use Cash App on PrizePicks, first of all, you'd need a Cash App's bank card. You need a debit or credit card since you can't use the online app in order to make deposits or withdrawals. So to use the Cash App with PrizePicks, you'd have to have a card. After you have the card, simply what you can do is you can click the Visa or Discover tab on your PrizePicks deposit page if you're depositing. From there, you will enter your Visa or Discover card info and complete your deposit. In this case, of course, you will enter your information that is visible on your Cash App card if you want to deposit some cash into PrizePicks. And the same goes for withdrawal as well. You will be following the same steps. You will go on the withdrawal page. If you want to make a withdrawal from your PrizePicks to Cash App, you'll simply just open on withdrawal. From there, you'll see the withdrawal page of PrizePicks. There, you'll see the card entering page where you'll enter your card details and then you'll enter your Cash App card details in order to withdraw the amount. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.